Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing wishlist item and I'm so excited about it. I hope that you will like it and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, black and gold style. I have to say I plan to get this item sometime in September, but I'm just so happy that it was available. By the way, my lovely SA gave me this bottle. This is so sweet of her. And of course, I had an amazing shopping experience on the day. It was so much fun. Anyways, here is the receipt. I'm not going to open it. And by the way, I managed to get this before the price increase. And here is the care instruction and certificate of authenticity. What else do we have inside of the bag? And here is the cleaning fabric, and I reach for it quite often. And this is the travel pouch. I love it. I use it all the time, especially whenever I go to hair salon and I need to take off my earrings, or whenever I go to the gym, and of course whenever I'm traveling. I'm so excited to unbox this with you. They have been on my wish list for quite some time and I'm just so happy that my lovely SA managed to get them. For me, they're pretty hard to get. I have not seen this in yellow gold for a really long time. They are mostly available in the pink gold. And as you know, I'm a huge yellow gold fan. I feel like this metal suits me the most. I wanted to unbox it a bit later because I wanted to extend my gratification, and I did last for some time, but not enough. I just could not wait, but I'm so excited to open it and to show to you as well. I can't believe I finally have this because I've been asking about them last year. I did not see this in this gold. I only saw them in a rose gold. And by the way guys, I will also link down that video in case you want to check it out. They are so beautiful. I love them in yellow gold. It's my favorite metal. And they look so stunning and so different in a different light. And by the way guys, I will link down the shopping vlog in case you want to check it out. I showed it in different light on me as well. These are in a vintage size. They are so comfortable and I love the way they look on my earlobe. I can wear them entire day. And by the way guys, I also previously posted a video where I compared the vintage versus the magic size. I will link it down in case you want to check it out. I love both of the sizes and I keep on adding more of the vintage ones because I can wear them everywhere. And even these ones, they have diamonds, they're rather dressy, but actually because of the size, they look perfect for a daily wear. I have to say, VCA diamonds are so sparkly, you can see them from far and they look amazing on photos as well. I just love them, they are so flattering. And I definitely want to add more pieces from this collection. I love diamonds, and I might also add some other pieces with diamonds from Cleef and Arpels. I just love their craftsmanship. It's so beautiful and so special. You can see a huge difference compared to other brands as well. The diamonds at the back of the earrings are not closed. It allows the light to reflect better. And that's why they sparkle so much. You can see them from far away, and that's why I'm obsessed with them. These particular earrings cannot be pre-ordered in Singapore, so I literally had to hunt for them. When my lovely sales associate told me that they are available, I knew I just have to seize the opportunity because I just don't know when else I'll be able to see them in a store. It might take me literally years. And by the way, I'm also so in love with the pendant. This one is in a pink gold, but I would like to get it in a yellow gold. I would love to create a proper set. Of course, eventually I would also like to add a 5 motif bracelet. Maybe I should post my updated wishlist video because I do have a few new pieces on my wish list. By the way, if you haven't watched my previous video, I will link it down in case you want to check it out. I actually think the 10 motif necklace would be amazing, but I think it's so expensive and I haven't seen it in the stores ever. I only saw it in a white gold and it's beautiful. I will find a video when I tried it on in a store and link it down for you. I tried it with the white gold earrings. I'm a huge fan of 10 motif necklaces, and by the way, I also posted a review vlog which I will link for you as well. They are absolutely stunning, but I actually don't have a single pendant in my collection. I would typically go for 10 motif necklaces. Currently I have 3. So it would be nice to add something completely different to my collection. A single pendant is so cute and I think I'll be wearing it quite often. Sometimes I wear clothes with higher neckline and I think the pendant would look perfect there. I think these earrings are going to be my absolute favorite. I have been wearing the white mother of pearl quite often, as well as guilloche and onyx, but these ones go with a lot of my clothes. And especially when I'm traveling, I don't have to baby this. I don't have to be afraid of putting on a mosquito repellent or a sunblock, because these are just gold and diamonds, which is so durable and so perfect, and that's exactly why I love them. Actually here they look a bit more orange, more like a pink gold, but it's just the light. And here you can see they look a bit more yellow. I love these earrings so much and I highly recommend them. Once I end up getting a pendant as well, I might actually consider getting the frivole earrings. These ones are in pink gold, but I would like them in yellow gold. They don't sparkle as much as Alhambra, but they're still gorgeous. By the way guys, which gold do you prefer, the yellow gold or the pink gold? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always curious to see what you're going to say. I have a few pieces in the pink gold in my collection, but most of them are non-designer, and I will also add the video where I showcased my entire jewelry collection. Anyways, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!